Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Full video is coming after this. It's been a while. We've been waiting for this to see them together. Who am I talking about? I'm talking about DJ Black Coffee and Zakes Bantwin. It seems like they have resolved their issues or whatever they had, and now they are back together. We wish them all the best. Watch the full video right here and share your own opinion, and please don't forget to subscribe guys. You guys who don't subscribe,
I don't know when was the last time I stood next to my brother right here and shared a microphone. Probably 15 years ago. And today marks the person that you are, Demi. That the world hasn't managed to have us stand next to each other. But because of you, we did. Yeah. Music has always been more than just notes. It has to us in different languages. It has touched us all, spiritually. But our introduction into music and the became so colorful because there was Demi in our lives. Everybody is talking about staying in the studio, and I can tell you that you always knew that people would stay in the studio. As they're telling this story, like, I knew, but I was just allowing you guys to do it. I'm saying this because I do not know how much